On today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about how to increase website conversions. So the first thing we need to discuss is what is a conversion? There's multiple forms of conversions, and in this case, we're talking about a lead. Now, there's different definitions for what a lead is. This is one example, right? Is that a lead is someone who may eventually become a client, as well as from a sales perspective is the data, which is what we're talking about. And so in this particular situation, when I'm talking about a lead and a conversion, I'm talking about somebody coming to your website and giving you their information. Now, to be clear, that does not necessarily mean, all right, that you're specifically doing a contact us form, right? So a lot of times when we think about leads, we're only thinking about it as a contact us form because so many home care business owners don't have more than a contact us form on their website. We're missing out on huge opportunities because somebody may come to your website and they're not ready to buy yet. They're not ready to speak with you yet. And so you're only getting what's known as a hot lead here. So we want to be able to attract and get leads, not just from a contact us form, because you may be having tons of people come into your website already and then leaving and you have no idea because there was nothing there to get their attention and get their information outside of a contact us form. So what can we do? All right. We want to create a lead magnet, something that's powerful, something that they want, a resource that's going to get their information. Name, email, keeping it simple. We don't want any more than that, right? They don't want to give you their phone number. They don't want you to call them or else they would fill out a contact us form, right? The less information increases those conversions that we want to get, all right? So somebody giving you their information is around $15 in their mind. So whatever your lead magnet is needs to be valuable enough that somebody's willing to give you their information. But if you ask for their phone number, now the value goes up even more. So what can we use as a lead magnet? Generally, it's going to be two forms, which is going to be a digital download. So that's going to be like an ebook or a free guide, or a video training, which is a really awesome way for you to sell your services while you're sleeping. Oh, by the way, I have a free video training that you can watch right now called Social Media Success. Stay tuned, I'll talk about it at the end of this episode. So one thing to know when you're thinking about conversions and getting more conversions on your website, that's what we're talking about today. All right, 70% of marketing professionals report that video converts better than any other medium. So adding video to your website is going to increase those conversions. It's going to increase those contact us forms as well as those lead magnets and getting people to opt in and give you their information, right? If you think about right now, right? If you went to a number of your competitors' websites and you look to see if they have video, you can bet that most people are not doing this. So get on the trend. We want to be different. We want to stand out. We want to get more conversions. Adding video is going to do that. Not to mention, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world behind Google. And Google owns YouTube. So simply having a video on your website not only will increase conversions, but it's also going to help with your organic SEO and driving traffic from Google, which we all want to show up more on Google. And here's a quote that I love. A good YouTube video is like hiring an employee you pay once that works for you for weeks, months, years to come. If you create one great video and you have that on your website, that can continue to produce results. Now, creating video content consistently is a great strategy, and I'm not going to talk about that today, but just having one video can produce amazing results for you on your website, increasing those conversions. So let's review. Create a lead magnet, add video to your website, all right? Know your conversion rate. It's not just about sales. It's also about your landing pages, your website. Are you converting the traffic that's coming to your website into leads? These are numbers that you need to know. These are ways to help you increase your conversions. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you gotta do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.